Are you ready to become a video editing guru in 2024? Then let's get started. How to get started as a freelance video editor in 2024. Agle 10 minute mein, actually 14 minutes mein, I'm going to give you all the steps you need in order to get started with video editing as a freelancer, video editing agency, and become a video editing coach to create multiple streams of income. All right, I will also provide you with a list of tools and steps you need in that specific order. All right, so as a total beginner, you will need number one, equipment. आपने कौन सी machine use करनी है, इसके लिए आपको research करनी पड़ेगी, आपको budget पूछना पड़ेगा, and then you're gonna have to learn how to use it effectively and efficiently. जो भी shortcuts वगैरह हैं. Number two, software. क्या software use करेंगे आप to edit the videos, right? Again, इसमें भी research की जरूरत होगी, आप सवाल पूछ सकते हो जिन्होंने पहले किया हुआ है. And then you're going to have to learn how to use the software efficiently and effectively. Number three, platform. कहाँ पर आप अपनी edited videos या अपने clients की edited videos कहाँ पर post की जाएंगी? It's most probably YouTube. So you need to learn the platform, technique आपको पता होनी चाहिए, strategy क्या होगी, setup कैसे करना है, YouTube, all that stuff. You need to learn that. Number four, portfolio. आपकी video editing की कुछ portfolios होनी चाहिए, which of course is going to, help others trust you better कि आप बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हो, और trust is the number one thing that's needed when you work online. And then when you are working for your portfolio, write down each and every little step you're taking. बाद में आपके बहुत काम आने वाली है ये step खास तौर से. All right, you've got everything you need. So now what's left? How are you going to get paid? How are you going to get clients? All right, for that, initially आपको sign up करना पड़ेगा freelancing platforms like Fiverr हो गया, Upwork हो गया, and your own website. Super important. All right, I recommend work for at least 100 projects. मैं फौजी बंदा हूँ, 100 मेरा number होता है हर चीज को try करने का. So work for at least 100 projects and focus on getting results for your clients. That's your number one focus, okay? In exchange for testimonials and money. आप देखें मैंने money को बिल्कुल आखिर में add किया है, right? And there's a reason for that, because you don't need to focus on the money. You need to focus on testimonials at this time, all right? Once you have testimonials, and of course that's going to bring lots and lots of experience, now is the time to create a full video editing agency and charge monthly recurring fee. सबसे बड़ा अलमिया हर freelancer का. Number one, I don't know if I've even said this, you cannot be freelancing forever. Not allowed. बिल्कुल भी allowed नहीं है. Yes, gain the experience, become a master, and then go create your own agency. Why? Because freelancers को नहीं पता होता कि इस project के बाद उनको project कब मिलेगा, वो किस नौयत का होगा, किस budget का होगा, कितने महीने चलेगा, वो budget, वो जो पैसे हैं कितने महीने चलेंगे. So like you are constantly in that looking for clients mode, and you're not focusing on your work. It is super important to spend time on your skill, providing value, rather than hunting down clients. So that is when you need to have your full video editing agency and charge recurring monthly fee. How to, क्या monthly fee होनी चाहिए? We will get into that at another time. Lekin filhal, there are going to be six stages of your video editing agency, okay? Number one, finding A players to work with you. आपने और contractors को साथ मिला के agency create करनी है. किसी का क्या काम होगा, and you own that agency. Okay, number two, lead generation process. How are you going to attract clients? Remember I said write down everything, right? वो इसलिए कहा था कि because these are all going to become processes that you are going to implement, or actually your team members are going to implement. Number three, sales process. How does that look like? How are you going to sell your monthly high ticket packages? आपने call करनी है, text करनी है, Zoom call, जो demo वो करना है, schedule करना है, presentation देनी है, क्या है? How does that process look like? That's gonna be number three. Number four, you're gonna have an operations process. ठीक है? Sales होगी, पैसे मिल गए या जो भी है, अब जो actual operation है आपकी agency का, वो कैसे है कि उसके बाद किसी को email जाना चाहिए, किसी को कोई फोल्डर क्रिएट करना है जो इंटरनल आपका ऑपरेशन प्रोसेस होगा ताकि क्लाइंट को किसी किस्म की दुश्वारी ना हो. So that's going to be an entire process. Number 5 is going to be delivery or fulfillment. I don't know if it's going to be like it can never be like per video editing, but when you have an agency, it's usually monthly. Okay, so आपने उनको update हर हफ्ते देनी है, हर 4 दिन में देनी है, या हर महीने बाद देनी है. वो जो डिलीवरी है या फुलफिलमेंट है या जो भी वो प्रोसेस है, हाउ डज दैट लुक लाइक? उनको टेक्स्ट मैसेज आएगा, उनके जो प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं वो एंड करेंगे, जो भी है, यू हैव टू पुट दैट इन राइटिंग एंड देन यू आर गोना कीप ट्वीकिंग इट, यू आर गोना मेक इट बेटर. एनीवे, नंबर 6 इज गोना बी पोस्ट प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यूज. इससे क्या होगा कि आपको जिनके साथ आपने काम किया है उनको एक इधर टेक्स्ट मैसेज आएगा या आप कॉल कर लो या जो भी है, and ask them to leave a review. This is great feedback time to improve your processes as well, internal team process, and then also, of course, who doesn't want reviews? The more reviews your business has, your agency has, of course, the better clients you get. Okay. All right. To help you with all of these 6 stages of your business, you will need lots and lots of tools and softwares. Almost all paid software SKU, because you don't want to be spending your precious time on doing redundant, doing repetitive copy-paste type of jobs. You don't. You are running an agency now, okay? Everyone's time is important, so everyone needs to spend their time on what they are good at, their zone of genius, okay? So you're going to need just to get the software ke sahara to automate your entire agency for you. So some of the basic ones, some of the basic tools that you're going to need are going to be, number 1, website builder, right? क्या पता आप अपनी एजेंसी में फिर बाद में औरों के लिए भी वेबसाइट बिल्डिंग आप ऑफर करें, लेकिन अपनी वेबसाइट तो होनी चाहिए. ब्लॉगिंग प्लेटफॉर्म, 1-2 ब्लॉग्स आप लिख लो, they are going to provide or bring in clients for life. Blogging, blog stays online forever. Landing page or funnel builders, because you're going to have offers. एक ऑफर होगी जो कि छोटे टियर की होगी, जो प्रीमियम ऑफर होगी वो सबसे हाईएस्ट टियर होगा. जितनी ऑफर्स उतने लैंडिंग पेजेस चाहिए. Number 4, email automation responder. Email autoresponder. So, जो भी opt in करे या आप कोई नई ऑफर कर रहे हो, you need to send out emails to your either prospects or your current clients. You need to do both of this. Number 5, text messaging software. क्यों? किसी को अपडेट चाहिए, उधर बिजली नहीं है, खुदा ना खास्ता सैलाब आ गया, whatever happens, you need to keep your clients updated on everything. So when you cannot have access to stuff like email, कोई नहीं देखता, अगर वीकेंड है तो नहीं देखता, so text message कर लो अर्जेंट मैसेजिंग के लिए. और text messaging, अगर आपकी किसी के साथ कॉल स्केड्यूल है तो उनको भी 10 मिनट पहले text message चला जाएगा that you have a call coming up with so and so. So super important. आजकल के दौर में text messaging के अलावा business नहीं चलता है. Anyway, number 6, invoicing software. Of course, you're going to be, you're in business. You need to invoice businesses for your services. Number 7, survey builders. Surveys are going to be your qualifying surveys. ये सवाल करो, वो सवाल करो, and then based on their answers, you are going to get, you're going to offer them services. उनको ज़्यादा काम चाहिए होता है या कम काम चाहिए, तो उनके हिसाब से you pre-qualify your ideal clients. Okay. Number 8, form builders. चाहे ब्लॉग है, चाहे लैंडिंग पेज है, चाहे वेबसाइट है, जो भी है, हर जगह पर एक ना एक फॉर्म होता है, so people can just opt in. And I have not seen anyone just use one form. It's always like बहुत ही basic जिसका business होता है, उनके भी 5 forms होते हैं. एक लैंडिंग पेज के ऑफर्स हो गए, ब्लॉग पर हो गया या वेबसाइट पर हो गया, न्यूज़लेटर हो गया, whatever, right? फिर कैलेंडर पे भी फॉर्म चाहिए होता है. All these things, it's important. Number 9, scheduling software. I'm sure you are aware of Calendly software, but there are other Acuity हो गया और पता नहीं और क्या है. These are all paid softwares, but what happens is जो clients के साथ आपकी calls होंगी, वो उनको confirmation जाएगा, where you have a call coming up with so and so, or your call is confirmed for this time. फिर उनको reminders भी जाएंगे कि भाई ताकि वो भूल ना जाए. Showing up to the call is super important for the entire team, क्योंकि ये इससे आपका बहुत सारा time बचेगा. You need to move to the next step. You cannot be just chasing each other and trying to schedule calls और इसी में सारा टाइम गुजार दें, does not happen. Okay? उसके बाद number 10 होगा payment solution. जाहिर है, they need to pay you, they need to utilize, you know, a tool to pay you with, ताकि आपको आपकी एजेंसी को पेमेंट मिले. Number 11 social media scheduling software. आज तक मैंने ऐसा कोई नहीं देखा जो कि business owner है या influencer है या coach है, whoever, regardless of what type of business he or she has, कि वो हर रोज सुबह उठ के उसी दिन का जो social media posts हैं वो create करे. Doesn't happen. Nobody has time for that. And if you have a writer, well, writer's block is a real thing. So people schedule in advance ताकि आपको अपने offers manage करने में आसानी हो. So of course you need to have a scheduling software. आप पूरे महीने के social media जो posts हैं या content है वो आप schedule कर सकते हो in less than 1 hour for the entire month and get, you know, get this done, get it out of the way. Number 12, AI content generation software. Again, like I said, writer's block is a real thing, but we are not writers, right? But again, we need to write text, letters, emails, social media posts, presentation slides. I don't know, जो आपने सोचना है, FAQs, website content, कितना कुछ है जो सारा content है text का. We need help with, you know, we have to use AI, otherwise हम बैठे रहेंगे not हफ्तों, not महीनों, but सालों इसी step पर हम बैठे रहेंगे कि हमारे पास जो है ना कंटेंट जनरेशन के लिए या टूल नहीं है, या कंटेंट जनरेशन के जब आप और लोगों को अलग अलग हायर करते हो तो it becomes very expensive. Number 13 is going to be reputation management software, which is automatically getting reviews on, you know, top platforms like Google या Facebook. Okay, ये सब are basic tools, basic. Okay, उसके बाद then we have some good to have tools. I'm not gonna say must have. They become must have when you really want to, you know, push an offer out and you spend a lot of money on ads. And when you're spending money on ads, then yes, these are must haves. That is number 1, Proofly हो गया, जो कि आपको बताता है कि भाई so and so bought from here, so and so bought from here. तो वो आप में एक FOMO effect आपके visitors में create करता है and they wanna work with you. Number 2, automated timers, कि भाई ये जो है अभी अगले 2 घंटे तक ये ऑफर वैलिड है और फिर उसके बाद इनवैलिड हो जाएगी या डेडलाइन जो है वो पास हो जाएगी. सो अगेन टू क्रिएट फोमोस. नंबर 3, शॉर्ट लिंक्स होते हैं जो हम सोशल मीडिया पर या कहीं पर भी अपने शॉर्ट लिंक्स शेयर करते हैं ताकि हमें so we're better able to track our audience. Okay, again, not must have initially, but if you're running ads, then this is a must have. All right, you need to have all of these 16 tools and then some, or just sign up for ESA by clicking the link in the description and get access to all of these links. Oh, sorry, not all of these tools, softwares all in one, and also get all the templates, checklists, PDFs, automations, workflows, task management, systems, जो भी सब कुछ है सब मिलेगा. All right? And guess what happens after this? अब जब आपने एजेंसी भी शुरू कर ली, आपके clients भी आ गए, you have documented your entire process, what happens next? Are you ready for this? You start coaching others on how to start a video editing agency, and you teach all of your processes and provide all of your systems, which becomes an extra stream of income. Go ahead and get started today. Remember, you just need to be a tiny bit brave to start, stay committed, and take action every single day. I'll see you in my next video.